Say hello to the TESLYAR wood phone docking station, your solution to cluttered chaos and disorganization. Cut to a close-up of the docking station. This isn't just any desk organizer, it's a meticulously crafted masterpiece designed to elevate both style and functionality in your workspace. Transition to various shots highlighting different features of the docking station. Let's start with its exquisite craftsmanship. Made from solid ash tree wood, each piece is carefully handcrafted to perfection, showcasing a beautiful, unique grain pattern that adds a touch of rustic charm to any setting. Cut to a shot of the docking station, holding various items like a phone, wallet, watch, and keys. But this docking station isn't just about looks, it's all about functionality too. With designated slots for your phone, wallet, watch, glasses, keys, and more, it keeps all your essentials neatly organized and within arm's reach. Transition to a shot showing the concealed compartment with charging cable slots. And here's the best part, it comes with a concealed compartment for charging cables, allowing you to charge your phone discreetly while keeping unsightly cords out of sight. Cut to a shot emphasizing the personalized engraving option. But wait, there's more. You can add a personalized touch to your docking station with engraved initials or a special message, making it the perfect gift for any occasion. Transition to a shot showcasing the sturdy construction of the docking station. And don't worry about durability. This docking station is built to last. Its solid wood construction ensures stability, even when fully loaded with your belongings. Cut to a shot of the docking station, presented in its elegant gift box. Plus, it comes beautifully packaged in an eco-friendly rustic-style gift box, ready to impress from the moment it's unwrapped. Transition to a shot of the docking station, in use on a desk. In conclusion, the TESLYAR wood phone docking station is more than just a desk organizer, it's a game-changer for your workspace. With its blend of style, functionality, and durability, it's a must-have for anyone looking to add a touch of elegance and organization to their daily routine. Closing shot of the docking station, with the title displayed, TESLYAR wood phone docking station, elevate your workspace. So why wait? Elevate your workspace today with the TESLYAR wood phone docking station.